In the ancient city of Reflectopolis, a wise philosopher named Socrates helped people find truth through thought-provoking questions. He believed the key to wisdom was acknowledging one's ignorance and seeking knowledge. One afternoon, Socrates observed busy townspeople. A young man, Athenos, approached, curious about the secret to living a fulfilling life. Socrates explained that the secret lay in examining one's life and understanding one's true self. Athenos wondered how he could examine his life. Socrates asked him what he valued most, to which Athenos replied, wealth, success, and admiration. Socrates questioned if these values brought lasting happiness, and Athenos realized he hadn't deeply examined his beliefs. Socrates emphasized that self-reflection and questioning beliefs reveal what truly matters and bring meaning to life. Athenos spent weeks with Socrates, engaging in conversations and challenging his beliefs. He discovered that wisdom, compassion, and meaningful relationships were what he truly valued. As he examined his life, Athenos experienced a profound shift in perspective. He felt happier, more fulfilled, and appreciated the world around him. He realized that questioning beliefs, values, and actions led to a life worth living. Thanking Socrates, Athenos acknowledged the transformation and understood the importance of examining his life and seeking truth within. Socrates reminded him, the unexamined life is not worth living. Continue to question, learn, and grow, and you shall lead a life of fulfillment and wisdom. From that day, Athenos lived by Socrates' teachings, and his life became a testament to the power of self-examination and the pursuit of wisdom. He became an inspiration for others in Reflectopolis, as they observed the remarkable changes in his character and attitude. People from neighboring cities would visit Athenos, seeking guidance and sharing their struggles. Athenos, ever humble, would remind them of the lessons he had learned from Socrates and encourage them to question their beliefs and values. As the years passed, the wisdom of Socrates spread through Athenos, and Reflectopolis became a center of philosophical inquiry. The townspeople experienced a newfound sense of purpose and unity, as they embraced the importance of self-examination and the pursuit of truth. Athenos continued to live by Socrates' teachings, eventually becoming a wise philosopher in his own right. He never stopped questioning, learning, and growing, embodying the essence of Socratic wisdom. In the end, the story of Socrates and Athenos reminds us of the timeless power of self-examination and the pursuit of wisdom. By questioning our beliefs and values, we can unlock the door to a life of fulfillment, understanding, and true happiness.